So let me tell you, if art is not expressed, it cannot be shared. अगर आप में कुछ है, तो लोगों ने बुद्ध को बताया था कि आप बोलिए, अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं तो अगले को पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप में क्या घटना घट चुकी है. How will you share your wisdom and light with us? आप बोलिए. So he was compelled to speak. Also, so art can only come to life when it is shared. So art is exchange of energy. That's number one. So if yoga is an art which has to be shared as an exchange of energy to seed the growth in the future of tomorrow, for the achievers of tomorrow, leaders of tomorrow, champions of tomorrow, it has to become. Now the word compulsory and mandatory, these are two words which are a form of violence. But I would say it should be a part of a curriculum.
Yeah.
You know, when we use compulsory, mandatory or military, but it should be, I'm using the word should. It should be made a part of every growth curriculum. So children's growth curriculum should have yoga, because yoga comes from Sanatan Dharma of Indus Valley civilization. जो इंडस वैली को हिंद बोलते थे, हिंदुस्तान बोलते थे, उसकी वजह से उसको हिंदू बोलने लगे. The word Hindu was given because of the etymology of all these words put together, Indus Valley civilization. And Sanatan Dharma was not a religion of control, it was a way of life, it was a culture, it was the art of living. So yoga is actually religionless. Yoga is borderless, boundaryless. Yoga is actually confluence of energies of yin and yang. Ganga यहाँ से आती है, Yamuna यहाँ से आती है, और at a point where they meet, वहाँ सरस्वती का जन्म होता है. So yoga is a point of confluence which gives birth to new entity every nanosecond. So when you're doing an asana, you become a different person every nanosecond. So you become tolerant, you become patient, you become visionary, you become resilient, you become tenacious, you become creative, you become productive, you become empathetic, you become sympathetic, because art is flow and art is synchronized with the rhythm, like music. So music is synchronized with the rhythm of this universe. जैसे शिव की डुगडुगी देखी आपने?
जी जी जी.
Rhythm of the universe. जैसे पृथ्वी की कील गोल गोल घूमती है. It's a rhythm of movement. So art is nothing but getting synchronized with the rhythm of the universe. And yoga, confluence of energy, brings that rhythm synchronized with the rhythm of the geomagnetic forces, and creativity happens. You create new cells.
Get naturalized, exercise, let your life get Mickey Mice, Mickey Mice, Mickey Mice, Mickey Mice.